Hey guys, Richard here, and welcome to the last video of Module 4. And I promise this will be a quick one. I know the last one was a long one, but hey, I mean, we did find three products. But I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys how important it is to build relationships with your suppliers, right? So we have two main suppliers that we use. We don't use any other supplier on AliExpress. We only use AliExpress to do product research, which is exactly how I showed you in the last video. So what you guys have to do is, if you guys are starting out, is different because you will need to use AliExpress suppliers. But if you're not starting out, start building a relationship with your supplier. Get them on Skype, get them on WeChat, get them on, which WeChat is just like a WhatsApp that they use. Get them on WhatsApp as well and talk to them every day. Tell them, hey, can I get a discount on this product? Hey, I want to sell more products with you. Can you give me bundles on the products? They can help you guys with a lot of these things, because these are people over there in China, which all they have is they basically have an shop where people like you guys go to them and buy stuff, right? So they're willing to help you guys if you guys are doing a good amount of orders with them. So getting to the point of product research with them, these people know better than anyone what are the hot sellers right now, right? So most of them have so the way AliExpress works is, I think that they're only allowed to sell items that, so for example, if they sign up for a beauty store, they could only sell beauty items, right? But if you know them, then they're willing to, to bend some rules and put up different items on their shop under a different URL for you. There's different ways around it. The point is that they can do it for you. So what you want to do is, when you do have this relationship built with them, start asking them like, hey, what are the hot sellers right now? What products can you get for me? And they'll know. I mean, my supplier, he's given me a whole mess of winning products. I mean, sometimes I don't do research for a month just because he's throwing products at me consistently. Just I think it was last month he gave me a product that's my current product right now that's selling the most, and I had to do no research for it. I got the product because I got a good supplier. So, I mean, that's it for this video, guys. I just wanted to emphasize on how important it is to build that relationship with your supplier. Give them products, right? Don't use, if you guys are selling 10 products, don't have 10 different suppliers. Have two, have three, don't have one either, because you don't want all your eggs in that one basket. Have two, have three, and tell them, say, hey, look, I'm selling this product. Can you put it on your store? And then move it from that supplier that you barely know to your main suppliers. This way they're gonna be more willing to help you guys, and they're gonna start giving you guys products. I know this from experience, guys. I have two. I should have a little bit more. I'm working on getting a third one. I have two, but I mean, for the Christmas, we're sending them a gift. We give them little bonuses every here and there. I mean, when a product goes down in price, they tell us, hey, look, this went down in price, so now you're gonna get it cheaper. And they're just really good people to us. We've built a great relationship. We've been working with them for over 2 years now. So I encourage you guys to do the same. I challenge you to do the same. Get them on Skype, talk to them every day, talk to them about the market. I mean, I even know how many kids my suppliers have. We're on that level already with them. All right, guys. So this is the end of this module. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.